Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you one of my secret ways that not many people know about. How do you play kompa with chords? It's not on YouTube, but I'm revealing out to you right now. Take notes, because if you don't take notes, you're gonna be a ghost. Ghosts, what are ghosts? They just disappear. So basically what I'm saying after this video, if you don't take these notes, this thing's gonna disappear the next week and you're not gonna have it down. And people that don't take notes, they don't actually do the thing. So just want to put that out there, right? So here's how I'm gonna reveal it. Here's what it's gonna sound like first. But here's the American version. And let me show you how different it sounds. Oh, I did it again. Hold on. Well, first of all, my guitar is out of tune. Hopefully you can tell, but you can hear the difference, right? You hear the difference? It's a huge difference. That's completely different. Here's what I was doing. For the American version, right? I'm just plugging strings down. It's really basic. You're just plugging every string, but when it comes to kompa, it's different. Here's the component that I'm gonna break down to you. Take notes and pay attention closely. You can rewind too. Here it is. So there's 6 strings on the guitar. There's the E, A, D, G, B, E, right? The first 3 strings, I like to call it the bass notes. And the last 3 strings, which is the G, B, and E, those are the solo notes, right? But when it comes to the chords, here's how I break it down. I start with the bass notes. Let's say I'm playing the C chord. The bass note will probably be the A, right? And now I finish it off with the solo strings, the G, B, and E. I only struck, let's say I strum like 2 strings, right? And watch how my finger is. I strum them up, right? So here it is, bass, up. That's 2 out of 3, which means there's only one more part left to this whole Haitian kompa groove, for the chords part, not groove. So you got the chord down. And now the last part, which I just did it, it's literally automatic. I stop it with my palm, and that's it. And as you can tell, it's literally a whole pattern. So bass, solo, stop. Bass, solo, stop. And now you just do that while switching chords, right? And that's how you do it. Of course, I didn't teach you all the other things yet, but I also wanted to keep this video simple so you guys could understand how I was able to do it, all right? But if you enjoyed this video, there's gonna be more, all right? There's gonna be more, all right? Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.